Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader. Today I made two trades on AMD and BABA, and I'm going to talk about the importance of topping tails and how to use them to make better trades. AMD was on my watch list because AMD missed on its quarterly earning, and people were expecting it to beat its quarterly earning because its competitor INTC, Intel, beat their quarterly earning. So I was short biased on AMD, and I was looking to short it. And in the open, once I saw that we rejected this dotted line, this previous closing price, I went short. But once it popped up above a PCL, I stopped out. So that was the first trade. And then, but once I saw this topping tail, I went back short. It dropped big time. I covered and it popped up, and I took the rest off at pretty much break even. So two trades, because my risk on the first trade was small and my reward on the second one was pretty big. This one was a profitable trade, and this topping tail was key. But of course, I missed the big move, but that's okay. I stuck with the game plan, so I told myself that I'm gonna take two stabs at it in the open, whether to the short side or to the long side, and I stuck to those two trades. And so that was that. Missed a big move on it, but at least I made little money on the name. My next trade was on BABA, and on BABA, what I saw was these topping tails. So we gapped down, meaning the stock or the price opened lower than its closing price yesterday. So yesterday it closed at 176.89, and today it opened at 175.43. About. So and in the pre-market I saw that we were selling off. So I saw these topping tails, one tail, two tail, and these topping tails are basically selling pressure. And we have the moving averages, we have the 200, we have the 20. So I went short, and my stop was initially the break of the 200, but then I'm trying something new where my third trade, I want it to be a trade to hold, meaning that I'm gonna give it more room and see if it could give me a big move. And that was the game plan for this. So when short, it did test the 200, reject, and then it rejected the 200 moving average on the 2-minute, and then it kept chopping between. So this dotted red line is yesterday's low, and it kept just bouncing off this level once, twice, three times, four times. But I was determined to hold to the position because my trade plan for this specific trade was to hold it until close to lunchtime. And yeah, so that's what I did. I held it, and then it finally dropped, and I knew that once we broke this yesterday's low on significant volume, I knew that this trade was going to work out. But so I took my position off. So I got in at let's see, BABA, I got in at 175.81, and I covered at 175.08 because it kept holding this 175 support. Usually whole numbers act as support, and it kept consolidating at 175, so I took it off. But my target was this line right here, this 174.35, and it did hit my target. But this something to be mindful of in the future. So these were the trades today. I didn't trade a bunch of stocks today. Trying something new and the plan moving forward is to take 2 trades in the open and take a third trade that is a trade to hold, meaning that I'm willing, not a scalp. So the first 2 trades are going to be quick scalps in the open, and the third trade is going to be something that I'm going to look to hold. So it worked out today. The first one was a small loser on AMD, the second one was a winner, and the third one was a winner. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.